guys, welcome back to my channel. Now that we've built up that turquoise color, we're gonna go in and we're gonna add this darker blue right inside the crease, and then we're gonna blend that out as well. Now we're just gonna add this black shade right on top of our lid. We're gonna pat that on, and then we're gonna blend that out with the darker blue that we added previous. Now we're just going to take some setting spray with our brush and pick up that silver shade, and we're going to pat that into the middle part of our lid. Now that the eyes are done for the most part, we're going to go in with my Pond's Dry Skin Moisturizer. We're going to moisturize. Next, we're going to go ahead and prime with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Matte Finish Primer. And as usual, we're going to go in with my Holy Grail foundation, the L'Oreal Luminous Foundation in Soft Sable. I think I really do need to go ahead and try a different foundation. So if you have any suggestions, just drop them in the comments below. We're going to go ahead and blend that out. I'm going to go ahead and highlight and contour with the LA Pro Curl concealer in the shade Medium Beige, and then we're going to contour with the shade Mahogany. Once that's all blended up, we're going to go ahead and set that concealer with the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. To set that contour today, I'm actually going to use my LA Colors contour palette in medium to dark. I let that powder bake for about 5 minutes, and then I went ahead and wiped that all away. Now I'm just going to go ahead and highlight with the Becca Cosmetics mini highlighter in the shade Vanilla Quartz.